Hey all, Russ here. Good morning. It's Wednesday. Guess what? Let's take a look. Motorhome's gone. Yay. I just put it in a storage building over there. Look at the van. I just washed it. It's fully loaded. Time to go. Say goodbye to Tyson Wells here. So long, Kim Scott. Thank you for all your hospitality. Okay, let's do it. Away we go! Yay! Not going back there. Lonnie, the maintenance supervisor there at Tyson Wells, he's going to put my trailer in the building there in a little bit too. So they will be inside storage all summer, nice and safe, out of the sun. Okay, for the last time for quite a while, we're heading up queuing. No more drive arounds. Sorry about that. But we're going to go on a very big drive around. How about the entire West Coast? Huh? I got some plans. Hopefully I can pull it off. We'll see. It's going to be quite the adventure. Been planning this for months to get out of here. Well, the first plan is I'm going to go up here to Pilot, top off the fuel before I head over to... I'm going to go into California first, and then we're going to shoot straight across the state. We're going to be filming along the way over there, and then we'll be heading north. So that's the plan for now. I figure I might as well fill up full of fuel while the fuel's cheaper here. Beautiful day. It's supposed to get windy going across the Mojave Desert. We'll see. It's about 100 and some mile trip across there. Not bad. Takes about 2.5 hours, but we're going to stop along the way. I'll be filming along the way too. Okay, here's Love's. I'll just go here instead of Pilot. This is good as any. They're all the same price, about $3.15. And doesn't look too crowded. Still motorhomes on the road. They're traveling, still heading north. Okay, get parked real quick. This won't take long. Then we'll hit the freeway. Not bad. I only spent 25 bucks. I topped everything off. Grabbed a cup of their coffee for the road. Okay, this is the famous exit 17. We're gonna take Interstate 10 west. The whole goal of this trip, the trips this summer, is to stay off the freeways as much as possible, but leaving Quartzsite, you don't have a choice. It's either the state route north or south, or freeway east or west. So we're gonna have to run a little bit of interstate for a while. But once the trip gets going, then we'll definitely be on some back roads. And that's where you're gonna see the country. back roads and little towns. Small town USA, that's the goal. Okay, here we go. Won't be back here till probably September sometime. They got my new pickup truck right there on top. And I had some sad news come in this morning through last night that Paul Weiner, the owner of Reader's Oasis bookstore, passed away in his sleep. He had been battling illness for a long time. He had cancer. And may he rest in peace. He was a quartzite icon. That guy drew a lot of attention to that town for, oh goodness, since the 70s, I think. And he was the actual dad of Celia's Garden. So all our prayers and thoughts go out to his wife Joanne and surviving family. He was a good guy. Okay, people ask me my favorite view of quartzite right there in the rear view mirror. Just kidding. But makes a good joke anyway. So long, quartzite. See ya. Hey, we're just passing. There's Dome Rock Road. So long, Dome Rock Road. To the fall. It's always a pretty ride right through here, through these little mountain pass as it drops down towards Ehrenberg in the Colorado River. Very pretty. You know, there's actually four-wheeling trails that you can run right along the side of the interstate here. It follows the pipeline, the gas pipeline. Okay, there's exit 1, Ehrenberg. Almost out of Arizona. There's the Colorado River. Leaving Arizona. So long. Okay, we're officially in California. Alright, this is the start of the journey. I'm going to be filming everything and anything I can find along the travels this summer. And it's still springtime. We got a lot of road to cover, a lot of time. I hope you'll enjoy it and follow along. If you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below and that little bell icon, then you get the notifications. We're passing through the big town of Blythe, California. This is I-10 West. And we're just going to keep right on marching. Alright, this is Russ. I'm going to sign off now. Hope everyone has a great day. Don't forget to travel safe. Stay tuned. A lot of videos coming your way. Take care, all.